Hello everyone, my name is Yashasvi Rathod.
Hello everyone, my name is Swarali Jadhav.
6 patterns of active and passive voice.
I can solve paper.
Paper can be solved by me.
Can I solve paper?
Can paper be solved by me?
I cannot solve paper.
Paper cannot be solved by me.
Can I not solve paper?
Can paper not be solved by me?
Who can solve paper?
By whom can paper be solved?
Who cannot solve paper?
By whom can paper not be solved?
Could. I could solve paper.
Paper could be solved by me.
Could I solve paper?
Could paper be solved by me?
I could not solve paper.
Paper could not be solved by me.
Could I not solve paper?
Could paper not be solved by me?
Who could solve paper?
By whom could paper be solved?
Who could not solve paper?
By whom could paper not be solved?
Would. I would solve paper.
Paper would be solved by me.
Would I solve paper?
Would paper be solved by me?
I would not solve paper.
Paper would not be solved by me.
Would I not solve paper?
Would paper not be solved by me?
Who would solve paper?
By whom would paper be solved?
Who would not solve paper?
By whom would paper not be solved?
Should. I should solve paper.
Paper should be solved by me.
Should I solve paper?
Should paper be solved by me?
I should not solve paper.
Paper should not be solved by me.
Should I not solve paper?
Should paper not be solved by me?
Who should solve paper?
By whom should paper be solved?
Who should not solve paper?
By whom should paper not be solved?
May. I may solve paper.
Paper may be solved by me.
May I solve paper?
May paper be solved by me?
I may not solve paper.
Paper may not be solved by me.
May I not solve paper?
May paper not be solved by me?
Who may solve paper?
By whom may paper be solved?
Who may not solve paper?
By whom may paper not be solved?
Must. I must solve paper.
Paper must be solved by me.
Must I solve paper?
Must paper be solved by me?
I must not solve paper.
Paper must not be solved by me.
Must I not solve paper?
Must paper not be solved by me?
Who must solve paper?
By whom must paper be solved?
Who must not solve paper?
By whom must paper not be solved?
Thank you.